So in this video, I'm going to show you guys XL size Avasa and Fusion tops, fish cut top, umbrella top, and some sets at last. Okay, so whichever you want to book, guys, please take a screenshot and send it to the booking number, which I'm going to mention in the description. Prices mentioned will be without shipping. Shipping will be 100 rupees per kg. You can take up to 3 tops in 1 kg shipping. Okay, so let us start. This is 1399 MRP. Little embroidery work here. Your price is just 600. Okay, this is a maxi dress. Your price is 500 only. The maximum selling. Okay, very beautiful top. The cloth is very nice. 1499 MRP. Your price is just 700. Okay, simple top, straight cut long kurti, cotton material, 799 MRP. Your price is 400. This is also a simple top, umbrella top, embroidery work here and on sleeves. Your price is just 500. Rayon material. Okay, this is also rayon material, collar with 3/4 sleeves. Your price is just 500. This is also a rayon material, very beautiful color combination, gray with silver color, only at 500. Okay, maximum selling today in the market. Somehow I could source it in Avasa Fusion brand. Okay, kaftan this is. Okay, with embroidery work, cotton material. Okay, the maximum selling in the market nowadays, and your price is 600. I could get only in XL and M size, 2 sizes. This is Kimaira brand. This is full heavy embroidery work. I have chosen this brand only because of this embroidery work demand. Okay, your price is just 500. Okay, this is also a very beautiful top, and the cloth is very nice at just 500. Bell sleeves. Okay, be very fast, guys, in booking. Stock will be sold out very fast because this is festive season. This is 1699 MRP, and your price is just 800. You can see the heavy flare rayon material. Okay, this is a fish cut top. Okay, fish cut top at just 550. This is a very simple gown which you can wear at home. Okay, cloth is very nice. Fusion beads, 300 only. Okay, this is also a fusion top, cotton material, very beautiful, simple, very simple with belt. Your price is just 500. Okay, this is little heavy top, rayon material, 1699 MRP. Full embroidery work here and on sleeves. Your price is 800. Okay, I'm trying to give the maximum color options, maximum choice, and in today's video I'm going to show the maximum. Okay, you can see this, 450 only. Okay, this beautiful top you can see, collar with 3/4 sleeves and adjustable strings at just 400. Rayon material. Okay, one more color I have got in this, red color. Same pattern, collar 3/4 sleeves and adjustable strings both the sides. Price is just 400. Okay, simple umbrella top, 500. Okay, boat cut top with the 3/4 sleeves, 450. Please don't wait, guys. People who have already subscribed to my channel, you guys are getting update at the earliest. Before even I send it to others, we get off the bookings. So please subscribe to my channel for getting updates. 500. This is Kimaira brand. Whichever I am telling, a different brand that comes with heavy embroidery and rayon work. Rayon cloth. 500. Okay, most selling pattern. I have got maximum stock in this time because of the demand. As soon as I post a video, immediate selling pattern. Mask and umbrella top, full button pattern. White color. Okay, price comes this time only at 500. This is Kimaira brand. Okay, both side there are strings here. 500. Okay, this is again a very beautiful top, different color combination. 1499 MRP. just 700. Okay, one fish cut top I am going to show. One last piece left. Fish cut top, 550. Heavy rayon material. Okay, this is cotton material with both side adjustable strings. Just 500. Okay, this is also a very beautiful top. Very simple, nice fabric. 1499 MRP. Very nice flare. Your price is just 700. Okay, maximum color combination, maximum choice. I'm making a big video. It's because I want to give the maximum options. You can see this comes with embroidery, this full embroidery. Okay, 1499 MRP. Your price is just 700. Okay, this is also a very beautiful top. Last piece left, 700. 1499 MRP with the overlay and both side adjustable strings. Umbrella top, 500. Okay, this is a sleeveless top in Kimaira brand. Very nice fabric rayon material. Okay, but this is sleeveless, guys. No sleeves inside, and the price is just 500. Okay, so I'm going to show you a few sets. Okay, only two available in XL. Very beautiful set. You can see this is full of work. Okay, full of work, and this comes with a pant. Okay, this is 1999 MRP. Your price is just 850. Okay, this is one very beautiful set. You can see this is embroidery here, lace here, very nice rayon fabric. 1999 MRP with the plazo. Price is just 900. Thank you, guys.